हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू पोस्टार ब्लॉग्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे हो और आपको पिछला वीडियो पसंद आया हो। और आज का एक्चुअली जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, टुडे इज़ वर्ल्ड टूरिज़्म डे। उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट ने लाइक अराउंड 9 ग्रुप्स को सिलेक्ट किया है फॉर प्रमोटिंग टूरिज़्म। सो ये जो 9 ग्रुप्स है, दिस इज़ ऑल लाइक बाइकर्स ग्रुप है। इसमें द मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट है, हॉग है, फिर वाइल्ड हॉकर्स है, फिर टॉर्क है, ट्रायम्फ का है, एंड BWRC है। फिर काफ़ी कुछ है, 9 ग्रुप्स है पूरा। एंड राउटला का RORS भी है। सो ऑल दिस अभी हम शोरूम से जाएंगे इन्फोसिस, फिर देन वहाँ इन्फोसिस से वी विल हैव अ रैली टिल धौड़ी। देन उसके बाद हॉक का कुछ अलग आइटम है, वी विल मूव ऑन टू दैट। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको आज का जो बाइक राइड है वो पसंद आएगा। एंड काफ़ी कुछ देखने मिलेगा, बहुत लार्ज ग्रुप आने वाले हैं। सो इट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट टू प्रमोट टूरिज़्म इन उड़ीसा। बहुत लोगों को, हमारे भारतवासियों को तो पता भी नहीं कि उड़ीसा एक स्टेट है, राज्य है बोल के। क्योंकि हाल ही में मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा था, मेरे को एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि उड़ीसा एक राज्य है भारत देश में। क्या किया जाए। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच Odisha state, Odisha government, Odisha tourism, and you can follow at Instagram on Odisha tourism. They have a lot of good places to nature के करीब है, and you can visit to that places and enjoy it. तो बाइक्स लाइन अप है, पूरा हॉक का टीम है यहाँ पे हार्ले डेविडसन शोरूम के पास। सो हैव अ लुक। So now we are heading towards the Infosys. वहाँ से फिर रैली निकलेगा धौड़ी की तरफ।
there is a huge lineup. You are going to see and watch for the all of the 9 groups, maybe around 6 or 7 groups which will be here. देखिए पुलिस के सारे इंतज़ामात हैं यहाँ पे, और हमारे हॉग वाले टीम को जो है वो पूरा they are waiting for us. So we are going to line up in Infosys. This is the Infosys campus. Info City बोला जा सकता है या इसको बोलते हैं. So the hog riders are here. आप लोगों को ऐसे तो मैं राइड कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए मेरे को आपको एरियल व्यू नहीं मिल पाएगा, फिर भी देखेंगे, जुगाड़ करेंगे. So everybody is lined up, the hog team is lined up, some other biking groups are here, and there is a group of motorcyclists, the motorcyclists वो भी यहाँ पे हैं. And here is Mr. Agarwal, who is Adler Experiment. There's a snack arrangement here to have a snack and chai. You can go for snacks and chai. One ride, one cause. Kalinga rides adventure with a cause. Odisha by road. There are you can see there is a hog, the motorcyclist, the Torque Triumph, Motosouls, BRO. As we travel, the Warriors, Wild Hogs, Kalinga, BWRC. But I don't know where is this RORS. RORS, they have been also told to travel from Rourkela to Sarabgarh Dam. That's the lineup. at the head.
Commissioner cum Secretary Tourism and Sports Shri Vishal Kumar Dev, PCC of Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden Dr. H.S. Upadhyay, he was also former Director Tourism. The current Director Tourism, Shri Sachin Jadhav, and of course DCF Ecotourism, Shrimati Anshu Pragyadas. A big round of applause from all of you. Come on, let's show some energy here. And as is the customary practice, we would like to welcome them. We have Shushti from Odisha Tourism and Subrat from Bikers Group. I request them to present bouquets to our esteemed dignitaries. Now that's a dull response, gentlemen and ladies as well. Wonderful. All right, namaskar, suprabhat, jibanara mahasroto kukehi otke paribe nahi. Corona pari mahamari bhi nuhe. Aji ame Biswa Parjatana Divas upalakhe ei ऐतिहासिक स्थान रे एकाठी हेजु एहार एटा एका उदाहरण मु दीक्षा तिवारी आपण समस्त को एही दिवस उपलक्षे हार्दिक अभिनंदन जणाउछि. A very hearty welcome to all of you on World Tourism Day. Like I said, nothing can stop the force that life is, not even a pandemic of this magnitude. As Odisha begins to make a move amidst the pandemic, moving to a new normal of physical distancing, face mask wearing and safety, Odisha Tourism is showing the way forward. Tourism is all about people and places. On this day, Odisha Tourism is out with the message that India's best kept secret is ready to move forward with all the safety guidelines intact. Today, to mark the day, the Odisha government is all set to launch its Odisha by Road campaign, which is all about people and places. On this day, Odisha Tourism is out with the message that India's best kept secret is ready to move forward with all the safety guidelines intact. Today, to mark the day, the Odisha government is all set to launch its Odisha by Road campaign, which will showcase the state in a new light and also show how safe tourism is. The campaign will be launched after a message from none other than our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik, under whose vision Odisha tourism is getting back on track. The mantra behind Odisha by Road is to present to the traveller its unexplored beauty ensconced in different parts of the state. The initiative not only gives the traveller a new perspective of the state through its diversity of history, culture, ethnicity, heritage, art, cuisine, natural beauty and wildlife, but also presents a new facet of regional tourism. Take the vast network of roads crisscrossing the districts, travel through the hills, stay by the beach, stop by the majestic lagoons, allow yourself to be mesmerized by the architectural beauty of our temples and monuments, lovely handicraft and handloom, and of course, the beautiful people of our state. এই ক্যাম্পেন মাধ্যমে ওড়িশাকু এবং রাজ্য বাহারু আসুଥିବା পর্যটক মানকু রাজ্যর ইতিহাস কলা সংস্কৃতি এবং ব্যঞ্জনর এক নূয়া অনুভূতি মিলিব. And be rest assured, when we were all locked down during the March to June period, Odisha Tourism was planning on the innovation of its tourism sector, simultaneously of a city-based road trip from InfoCity and reached here at Dholi sometime back. Well, post the launch, they would fan out to Mangalajodi, Daringbadi, and Panchalingueshwar. So they are our first group of brand ambassadors for the Odisha by Road campaign. A big round of for them. And I would like to mention the name of the clubs. We have Harley Owners Group Hogs, the Motorcyclists, Torque. Please keep applauding for your fellow bikers. Triumph Owners Riding Club, the Motorsogs, Biker Republic of Odisha, As We Travel, Wild Hawk Kalinga, the Warriors, Women Biking Squad as well. And yes, we also have Car India and Bike India. They are two magazines based out of Mumbai and Pune, and their team is already on a circuit. They're already exploring Odisha and they'll continue with this campaign as well. And they also have a special guest with them from Indore, Kalyani Putekar, who's also been traveling for them. So a big round of applause for all our participants. Well, to give you a much better insight into this wonderful initiative, I would now request the Commissioner cum Secretary, Mr. Vishal Dev, to present the welcome address and also read out the message from the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik. Let me tell you, he is an IIT and IIM alumnus But when it comes to planning the road ahead for his departments, be it sports, tourism, or sports and tourism, because that's something that has conceptualized sports tourism from our state, he has another eye to his credit all the time, which is innovation. So I would now request him to present the welcome address.
Thank you, Diksha. Honorable Minister for Tourism, Odia Language and Culture, Chairperson OTDC, my colleagues PCCF Wildlife Sri Upadhyay, Director Tourism Sri Jadhav, DCF Ecotourism Srimati Anshu Pragya, friends from the various bikers club because of whom this function has been possible, and my colleagues from the Department of Tourism, Department of Forest Environment, and others. A very warm welcome to all of you today. It's a matter of delight that you've all taken time to join us on an early Sunday morning, which is usually difficult for people. Thank you all so much. Let me also convey my best wishes to each and every one of you on the occasion of the World Tourism Day today.
All right. Launch bhi achhi aaji a lot of thing that is Bona Bhoji. That is also again in the similar line Odia cuisine. This is an end-to-end package for tourists, and you can avail that and enjoy Odia cuisine. Bona Bhoji. So I request our dignitaries to do the honors. This is specifically targeted for families.
OTDC ର ବଣଭୋଜି ପାଇଁ ବୁକିଂ କରି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Tourism is now open for all with COVID protocols and health and safety guidelines. I again welcome and congratulate all of you on World Tourism Day. The theme of the day is tourism and rural development in Odisha. As all of you know, we have harmonized the inclusive and sustainable development of Odisha tourism.
And this talent of India, of Odisha, is here with us today with a demo, 50 coconuts. Okay, Jodha Dalisha, let's hear it for Keshav Sai, also martial arts expert. And you can also join a point of pani piya pe chahungi se bahungi apna pakane jaake point of pani bhi pi paribe. So if you want to drink and enjoy the coconut water as well, you can do that with safety guidelines, of course, keeping in that. He'll feel even more energetic if you keep applauding, guys. Come on. Just a little announcement while you're enjoying this. Right after this, we'll have a group photograph with all tourism department people. All tourism staff are requested to stay back for a group photograph, and also a request to the bikers group. Please do not disperse immediately. Our guests, our dignitaries, our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Minister and all dignitaries would like to take a photograph with you right below once we go down. So please do not disperse immediately. There will be a group photograph with the dignitaries, and then you can, of course, head out to explore India's best kept secret.
सो गाइज़ आई एम बैक टू माई होम और मैं वापस आ गया, बट एक्चुअली हमारा ग्रुप पंचलिंगेश्वर जाने वाला था। वैसे भी एक्चुअली जितने भी ग्रुप्स थे सबके लिए एक अरेंजमेंट किया गया था जगह। दे विल गो टू द डेस्टिनेशन एंड वहाँ पे जाके वो कैसा है क्या है आपको बताना है, एंड यू कैन गिव अ फीडबैक कि कैसा जगह है और कैसा अरेंजमेंट है। वैसे उड़ीसा टूरिज़म ने एक्चुअली आज जो प्रोग्राम में दिखाया काफ़ी कुछ नया चीज़ उन्होंने मतलब दे हैव इवॉल्व समथिंग लाइक एक निमंत्रण है, अ चेन ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट बाय OTDC, और फिर बणभोजी भी है, एक पैकेज है जो कि फैमिलीज़ के लिए है कम्प्लीटली, वो भी आप अवेल कर सकते हो। तो और जैसे कि उड़ीसा टूरिज़म ने ये टी-शर्ट दिया था हमको आज पहनने के लिए फॉर यू नो देयर प्रमोशन, एंड ये कैप है उड़ीसा टूरिज़म का, और मास्क भी दिया हुआ था उन्होंने। तो ब्रेकफास्ट वाज गुड एंड प्रोग्राम अच्छा था, और उड़ीसा के जितने भी यू नो मिनिस्ट्री लेवल में हैं या फिर बाकी गवर्नमेंट लेवल में हैं, दे आर डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब। जब हम कोविड में घर पे थे तो वो लोग प्लान बना रहे थे कैसे टूरिज़म को प्रमोट किया जाएगा। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब आएंगे उड़ीसा और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे जितना भी बेस्ट चीज़ है वो सबको। एंड तो ये रहा मेरा ब्लॉग, उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा, और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाइएगा और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन भी दबाइएगा। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पसंद आया हो। बाय, टेक केयर।